Why is it called a black hole? A black hole is a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. The term black hole was first coined in 1967 by American physicist John Archibald Wheeler, although the concept itself dates back to the 18th century. Key reasons for the name: absence of light. The term black refers to the fact that black holes do not emit any light or radiation that can be detected by traditional means. Because their gravitational pull is so intense, even photons or particles of light cannot escape, making them invisible in the traditional sense. When astronomers observe the area around a black hole, they see a complete absence of light, hence it appears black. Event horizon. This is the boundary around a black hole beyond which no light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation can escape. It marks the point of no return. Inside this boundary, the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light, rendering the black hole black. Gravitational pull. The term hole describes the idea that matter and radiation fall into these regions and cannot get out, similar to how objects fall into a physical hole and are trapped. A black hole can be thought of as a bottomless pit in space-time. At the very center of a black hole lies the singularity, a point where gravitational forces compress matter to an infinite density. This makes the concept of a hole in space-time even more literal, as the normal rules of space and time cease to apply. Historical background. The concept of a black hole can be traced back to the 18th century when Jean Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace independently suggested the existence of dark stars whose gravity was strong enough to prevent light from escaping. The modern theory of black holes emerged from Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which predicted the existence of objects with such strong gravitational fields that they deform spacetime itself. Detection and observation. While black holes themselves are invisible, their presence is inferred by the effect they have on nearby matter and radiation. For example, when a black hole pulls in material from a companion star, the material accelerates and heats up, emitting X-rays that can be detected by telescopes. The study of black holes has also been advanced by the observation of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by violent cosmic events like the merging of black holes. In summary, the name black hole vividly describes the object's key characteristics: its invisibility due to the lack of emitted light, known as black, and its nature as a region from which nothing can escape, known as the hole.